editing this. And I'm not a YouTuber, and I didn't make an intro, so here it is. Enjoy the vlog. I hope you like it. I hope you know that voice is very sarcastic. So, hey vlog. Welcome to Cooking with Logan. Making a cake. Let's see how this goes. I think I don't know how to work it.
She's thickums. Did you put the water in? No? That's probably why. You gotta put a cup of water in there. Here, I did it. We'll use this. That's 1/4. Yeah, you do it 4 times. So 1.
We're being inventive. Is that good enough?
Well, I don't know.
Well, come find out.
Just a minute.
Yes, I'm vlogging.
Vlogging?
Yeah,
what?
hi vlog.
I gotta see it.
Don't see the cake.
Go ahead and do it a couple more times there. Missy. Here, watch out.
Tell me what to do. I'm a freaking professional chef.
Because you didn't even put any water in.
Yeah, I know. Don't,
Move your arm.
don't mention that. Dude, we don't mention that ever. Oh my god, Mom. I'm not a professional. Wow.
Want this?
No, it's kind of not good. It'll be good in the cake. Hopefully. Praying for the best. My man Gigi up there. You know?
Who the fuck is Gigi?
Jesus.
Oh, I need this.
We just leaked that. Contamination. Rule number 1 in professional chefing.
You know what? You can
You
take...
think you're Gordon Ramsay or something.
Do I look like I'm dead? Isn't he the one that just killed himself?
No!
Oh.
That was Anthony Bourdain or something like that.
Oh, well, whatever.
If Gordon Ramsay would be dead.
There you go, put it in the oven.
It's our result here. She thinks she was a help, but she just ruined it all. I mean, don't lick me ever again. Open it up, Mom. Or don't. I'm a strong woman.
Oh my god.
I'm an independent woman. Oh my god. Get in there. Oh my god. Bye. That's from a cheese toasty burn, because I'm a good chef.
Set the timer for 25 and clean up.
Okay, vlog. I'm gonna trim up. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Put a fork in me, I'm done.
Clean fork, done cake.
If I just...
Then I'd go. I gotta let it cool off for a while.
Okay.
Indolent.
Think before you speak, Robert.
Speak before you think, Logan.
That's not the same.
Logan, did you want a pork chop?
You want to think about that question, Mother?
God damn it.
Bless you.
I have no idea where that fucking pork chop is.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Word vlog.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Robert.
Look, just because it's your birthday doesn't mean you get to be an Uber bitch.
Is it your birthday every day, Mom? So this is the finished project. I am really proud of it. So vlog, we have a 7 for his 43rd birthday because those were too expensive, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So it's close enough, right?
Yeah.
Dad, you gotta hit that high note like, oh yeah, yeah! Oh yeah,
A bird. Thought it was.
yeah! Happy birthday.
High note.
You have to hit that high note.
Come on, lip shit.
Happy birthday to you!
Kill you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Robert! Happy birthday to you!
Why'd I have you fucking kids? Good, actually. I like it.
That wraps up this vlog of baking with Logan, the chef, you know? Hashtag like and subscribe for more.